how to use battery widget on monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. And today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the specific widget onto your workspace, which is going to be the battery widget. So how we are going to find the battery widget? It is going to be a matter of a dashboard. So the battery widget is going to be only available for a dashboard. It is going to be used as a tracker for, let's say, specific items, statuses, and also, let's say, a progression bar. Maybe you're going to name it like that into the dashboards. So we're going to head over our workspace on Monday, and we're going to head over the dashboard. So you can go ahead and head over your dashboard directly, or you can go ahead and create another dashboard, which is going to be created and connected to the specific board. So we're going to have a new dashboard. We're going to put it as main. We're going to connect it to a specific board, for example, like this. I'm going to have the connection with it, and we're going to add a widget. So the battery is going to be on the widget. Click on battery, and it is going to show you, as you can read, progress at a glance. So depending on the battery that you have added, as you can see, this is going to be depending on the type of the labels that you're going to showcase here, it is going to be okay. So here it has the manufacturer column showing up. So it is going to create some percentage for each one of the, as you can see here, labels. So you can go ahead and click on three dots, click on settings, and change the columns. For example, I can go ahead and have the order status, for example, ordered and not ordered. This is more logical, I think, depending on the type of the, as you can see here, the statuses. You can go ahead and create another status. It's a bar or column. You can go ahead and have a status, for example, status 1 like that, and put it for something. You can edit the labels right there and create your own. For example, you're going to have it like this one, stock, working on. So you're going to find it right there. So you need at least to refresh the page, and you're going to find it right there. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.